Diplomacy is an exercise in restrained power. These are today's official minutes. The chairman is conducting a high-level review of the Kathikas borders. A lesser dog might bark at passing disturbances. Chang prefers to project quiet authority, allowing his sheer physical presence to act as the ultimate deterrent. It seems that some politicians rely on loud speeches to project strength, where others are thwarted by refuse collectors, whose mandate will be to cap the 99 flake at 99 pence. The chairman relies entirely on his posture. Meeting adjourned.